everyone, welcome back. And if you are new, I am excited to have you. I've had a lot of new subscribers recently, so I just wanted to say welcome and thank you so much for subscribing. Today's video, I'm announcing the winners of my 2000 subscriber giveaway. The entries, the folks that were submitted an entry needed to make a journal card, and they just needed to pick a favorite decade and decorate that card. And so I'm going to announce the winners. So the first winner, and a little bit about the winners. I love them all so much, so I got my daughter to help me pick the winners. And what's funny is I had kind of thought about who I was going to pick, and then her choices were the same. So then I knew we had the right answer. Now I have a first place winner, a second place winner, and third place winner. So let me announce the first place winner first. So I have them down here. So the first one is Randy Roke or Roki. Let me know how to say your last name. And this is her entry. And what I loved about it is she inside kind of explained why she picked the 1960s, and all the things that she picked I really liked. So she is the first place winner. So Randy, you need to email me, and I'll put my email address down below in the description of this video, and you will win a journal made by me. And so yeah, so email me with your email address, and we'll kind of talk about the details of the journal. So congratulations. I'm super excited for you, and can't wait to work with you on that. All right, so the second place winner, let me pull that out. So the second place winner is going to receive a kind of a junk journal kit. So I'm going to put together some items for her. And the second place winner is Claudia Malone. And this is Claudia. She did kind of a journal card tag, and she picked the 1920s, a ballerina kind of theme. And I thought that turned out great. So Claudia, make sure you email me and send me your mailing address, and I'll get a little journal kit of fun things put together for you. And then the third winner is Rachel Phelps. And here is Rachel's journal card. And she also decorated the back, and I think it turned out great. And Rachel, email me as well, and you will win a $15 Amazon gift card. So again, thank you all so much for entering, and I plan on doing another giveaway when I hit 3,000 subscribers, and I look forward to sharing that with you all. And again, it's just a way to say thank you to you all. You all mean so much to me when you all like and comment on my videos and watch my videos. I love sharing my ideas and sharing what I make and what I learn, and also learning from you all. And it's just a lot of fun, and I just want to do this as a way to say thank you. So I will let you all go, and I will see y'all in the next video. Bye for now. Thank you.